Congratulations on your Metascan. Here are instructions for setting up and using your new technology. Attach one end of the USB cord to your laptop and the other to your Metascan mat. Click on the icon on your desktop. The software will then open, and log in with your username and password. If the Metascan is connected and ready to use, the Mat Status tab will be green and say Ready. If the Mat Status tab does not say Ready, try unplugging the USB cable from the laptop and reattaching. Here are instructions on how to add a new patient. Once you are logged in, click on the Patients button. On the patient screen, click on the Add New button. Fill in your patient's vitals. This includes their name, gender, shoe size, shoe width, birth date, height, and weight. When all of your patient's vitals are in, click on the Add Patient button. Now click on the Scan button. For our purposes today, we're going to select a dynamic scan. Click Dynamic and then click on the Start button. Select the number of steps you would like your patient to take across the mat. We recommend 3. Click on the Begin Scanning button. Follow the instructions on the screen, which indicate for the patient to begin walking across the mat, starting with their left foot. The instructions on screen will prompt you to have the patient walk across the mat, alternating with left foot and then right foot. After the final scan is captured, the results will automatically display. For more information on the scan results and how you can incorporate this information into your practice, please give us a call. Now click Accept and Save. Your scan result will be uploaded to the cloud. If you are only interested in a detailed analysis of the patient's gait, click on the Order Gait Analysis button at the top. A window will appear allowing you to enter any clinical notes. These will be reviewed by the podorthist, who will review and provide you with the findings. When you are ready, press Continue, and that order will be placed. To order custom orthotics for your patient, select the Products button. The Products section is arranged by our different custom orthotics. To select a product, just click on the tile. In this example, we selected Expedition. You will now see an explanation about the product. To read more about the orthotic, just click on the More button. To add the item to your cart, click on the Add to Cart button. To return to the catalog, click on the Back button. Once the item is added to the cart, the Add to Cart button will change from green to red and say Remove. Click that if you wish to remove this from your cart. To place an order, you can either select on the cart icon, click on the View Cart button, or click on the View Cart tile in the progress bar. To add notes about this order, click on the Order Notes button and type them into the box that appears. To make specific accommodations to the orthotic, click on the Accommodation Details button. Once you have added order notes and accommodation details, you can place the order by clicking the Place Order button. If you need to place the order at a different time, but want to save the information, click on the Save button. Here's how to acquire a static scan. Enter the patient as seen before, or select a current patient, then click on the Scans button. Now, click on the Static button and click Start. Have your patient stand on the mat with their arches on the plus signs and their toes pointing toward the handle of the mat. When they are in position, click Start. When you are ready to capture the scan, click Acquire Step. The Save scan will display, allowing you to review the scan parameters. For more information on reviewing the scan parameters, please give us a call. Here's how to acquire a postural scan. Enter the patient as seen before or select a current patient. Then click on Scans. Now, click on the Postural button and select Start. The postural scan type allows you to record a video tracking the patient's center of balance over a selected period of time. To set that time, type in the amount of time in the first box. This range can be up to 60 seconds. Have your patient stand on the mat with their arches on the plus signs and their toes pointing toward the handle of the mat. When they are ready, click the Start button. You will now see a live feed that will last the duration of the predetermined time. Once it has stopped recording, the results will appear, allowing you to review the scan parameters, anterior-posterior, and medial-lateral deviation. For more information on interpreting these findings, please give us a call. Before saving the scan, you must enter a scan description. This could be something such as baseline scan, eyes closed, or post-surgical scan. Then click Save to save this scan. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is only a phone call away. Give us a call at 1-800-779-3668.